Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, so what's up? It's Emma here, and so today I don't have enough space. I don't have much space, but anyway, I'm gonna be singing part of "Rolling in the Deep" and some of whatever. There's a fire start. Oh, tell me if I sing good or not. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and spraying me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear, and don't underestimate the things that I will do. See how I leave with every piece of you, and don't underestimate the things that I will do. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much here. Hello, how are you? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be. It's such a difference, 'cause we are a million miles. Help on the outside. At least I couldn't say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. It don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. That's all I know. This is a guest song. You have to comment down below if you know the song. I've heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true to me. I guess you gave it all to me. That's all I know. Anyway, if that was good, comment down below yes, or if you don't like this video, just hit the dislike button. I don't really care right now. So yeah, hope you think that was good. Bye guys.